If you're not getting sales or leads with Facebook ads, here's what you need to fix in order for it to work. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, follow for more videos just like this, and let's get right into it. For all of you who follow me, know that I always break a business down into 4 key parts, and I'm gonna really just go over those 4 key parts again for everybody who is running Facebook ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, Google ads, and it's not working for you. There's actually a reason why, and it's not the ads at all. We have been shoved down our throats as business owners that ads are the only thing that matters. Running more traffic should make us more money. It is a fucking lie, okay? So the first thing that you need to fix in the business for your ads to even convert at a high level is your offer. And no one talks about this because it's high level shit. And honestly, for me to do my offer creation, all of that, like, it's an expensive service. There's people in my space who are charging 15, 20K for offer creation. It's very, very difficult to build a high, sexy, irresistible offer that can sell like hotcakes. So when I talk about irresistible offer, it's about building something that has the right mechanism, the right guarantee, okay, to the point where it's gonna make your prospect say yes with less resistance and for less as far as ad budget is concerned. You need to have an irresistible offer in place that is easy for someone to go, huh, that sounds good. Like if you just say to me, I do fitness coaching. Okay, no one gives a fuck, okay? But if I said to you, hey, I'm gonna help you lose 8 pounds a week using this blah, blah, blah system that's also allowed 376 other people to do the same in the last 90 days. And if you don't get that result, even if you're 1 pound short, I'll give you all your money back. That is an irresistible offer. And you need, as the business owner, to do what I'm gonna talk about on number 4 at the end of the video. So building that irresistible offer is going to be massively important for you. Number 2 is your landing page or your sales process or the way that you get people pipelined into your ecosystem. So the right landing page, the right copy, the right sales process. Are you running Instagram DMs to a book call? Are you running Instagram DMs to a video or a VSL? Are you running Instagram DMs to just a checkout link and trying to get them to buy off the rip? Are you running TikTok lead forms to a book call, like Facebook lead forms to a book call? Running straight landing page traffic? Are you doing a VSL? Are you doing a webinar opt-in? Are you doing an opt-in with a free PDF or like a free ebook, whatever the case may be, to a book call? What are you running to get people to take that decision that makes you money? Having the right landing page and sales process in place is gonna make you more money, okay? That's just the way it is. But if you don't have a good offer, there's nothing really sexy about your landing page because your offer, if reflected correctly on the landing page, will keep the congruency because then your ad needs to be congruent, your creative, which is number 3. So number 3 are your creatives. Are they congruent to what the offer is? Does it call out the audience in the beginning? Is it sexy? Is it a good background, professionally done, good editing, subtitles, right? Simple, straight to the point, fast intro. Also, what platforms are you running? You should be running every single platform out there to find out what your lowest hanging fruit is in the business. Is it Facebook? Is it TikTok? Is it Google? Is it YouTube? Is it Instagram? I don't know what it is, but you have to take those creatives and map them and make them native to each one and run all of them at the same time. See which one works the best. And that brings me to number 4, which is your back-end KPIs. When you talk about, hey, can I even push that kind of guarantee on my offer? You need to have the right back-end, the right systems, the right automations, the right fulfillment, the right SOPs in place to make sure that you're meeting your numbers and not giving money back as much. Having that high success rate, having that high retention. What are your back-end KPIs to make sure that your business is running profitably and predictably so that you don't have any hiccups and you can scale by just simply doubling your ad spend or tripling your ad spend? So those are the 4 biggest things that I always look for in a business when my Facebook ads or clients' Facebook ads are not generating the right results. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.